Hello viewers, I welcome you all from HLT of Tech channel. We are going to start a new tutorials regarding Power Apps, in which we will see how to create tables in a Dataverse, how we can create model driven apps, how we can work on canvas pages, how we can do Power Automate and many other things. Okay, so now we are working on online. This is a separate video, and this will be I will include this video in separate playlist. So let's start. Here now we are going to we are going to create a Dataverse in a solution, in which we are going to create a model driven app. Okay, so in model driven app we will configure environment in which we will use business process flow to work on any table in a stage wise manner. First of all, you are seeing that this is a stage 1, that is this one. After completing this stage, you can go to another stage, that is this one. Right now it's inactive, and once stage 1 will be completed, stage 2 will be active, and then once second stage will be completed, we will be good to go for third one. How it will be like that. For example, name Kraken, father's name is Pajita. After that we go for date of birth, qualification, and experience. Let's say he has experience of 10 years. Okay, so after that once it has been completed, we are good to go for saving it. Here you can see that after saving this first stage, we are good to go for going to the next stage. In next stage, once we click next stage, you can assign the ID. The process can be automated by generating custom ID, but right now I'm keeping it simple. After that, I'm going to click on next stage, and this is the last stage where I'm going to finish it. So in this way you can do form you can complete or you can fill a form in a stage wise manner, and for that you can use business process flow. So we will see now how we can do it from scratch. I'm going to tell you that in this video we are going to first of all create a solution. After that we will go and we will create some custom tables, and after that we will create a model driven app, and in model driven app we will include the tables that we have created in this step into model driven app, and on these tables we will create business process flow. Now let me explain you the tables. This is my first table. If I show you here, this is my first table, that is employee detail forms. In this detail form I have 3 sections. I have 4 sections, 1 2. The first section is HR record section, that is in light blue color. The second section is HR manning, then IT department, and the last one is headquarters. So I am going to insert 4 tabs in my form. There will be 4 stages, in which in first stage the data of HR record section will be filled. Once it will be filled, then we will go into HR deployment module. Once this data will be filled, we will go into IT department stage, and the last will be headquarters stage. Secondly, in this table there are various columns. These are the columns. Here you can see the columns and the column data type. So this will be the columns, and all of these columns, some of these columns are also dependent upon relations. So in this video we will also see about establishing relations between the tables. So for example, in qualification table, it will get the value from the qualification table, that is this one. This table is qualification table, and this will be linked with one to many relationship. It means that every employee may have many qualifications. Okay, so similarly there is 2 other fields, that is department. Department means there is one to many relationship with company department. The company department is this table, company department. It means that one employee may be linked with multiple departments. Okay, so similarly for designation, and one employee may have multiple designations. For example, one employee is boarded as a junior developer. After some period of time, he is promoted to senior developer. So this employee may have multiple designations from date wise. Okay, so there will be a one-to-many relation, and so on. So viewers, let's this is a simple scenario in which we have done the planning of how we will create tables, what will be the columns in that table, and how I will establish one-to-many relationship with some other tables. So in my next video we are going to see the practical demonstration of this video that we have just seen in a planning phase. Guys, thank you very much, and subscribe my channel and enjoy watching more videos. I thank you all.